Hello, welcome to Bachpan Kandavalu. We out here are a blend of Montessori and a playway method of teaching. Come, let me show you what the school is all about. So this is our reception area. We have a learning area out here which has different zones. So from a kitchenette area along with a dining table setup where we do table manners with them, eating etiquettes with them. We will be teaching our kids how to eat healthy food, how to use a spoon, how to use a fork, how to use a knife. We do a lot of kitchenette activities with them, so it gives them an all-round exposure of the culinary world. We also have a living room setup. We do things like how do you greet guests, how do you offer water in a tray. So all those manners, etiquette, social skills will be done with the kids as a pretend play setup. Come, let me take you to the classrooms. We have 5 classrooms here. So, hello, hi, good morning. So we are here. When you see the kids, they are nursery kids. They sit on the table and chair format, and they are doing free play right now. So they are working on their fine motor skills right now, and that is a very crucial thing to develop the pincer grip. That is the most crucial part of the nursery curriculum. In nursery, from affirmations to Hindi, we have Hindi as a subject that is introduced in nursery, from numbers to alphabets to months of the year. We do all these days of the week. These are the magic words that we do with the kids every day. We have rules that the teacher establishes from the start so that the kids are aware what they need to do. Come, I'll take you to the second classroom. So this is my playgroup. Kids just come in, settling down. There is free play going on. There are vlogs, there are links. We are giving them books, so we create zones, and whichever kids are comfortable, they will be choosing those toys, and that is how we identify what kids like and their preferences. So this is our ball pool room, which is one of the favorite because kids enjoy the most here. The kids play out here, they learn color recognition. We have a lot of physical exercises that happen here. We have a tie-up with Incredible Malakhambh. So yoga, gymnastics and Malakhambh also is a part of our gross motor routine, along with having them climb up. So it increases their gross motor skills. It helps them in developing that. There are some kids who are not very comfortable, on their own going on the slide. So we help them to get more free and develop their gross motor skills.